Hello guys, narito po muli tayo sa ating channel. So guys, may tuturo ko sa inyong video tutorial na pang-edit sa video na inyong vlog. So, gagamitan natin ito guys ng AI voice. So, ang vlog na ito is online earning application. So guys, meron dyan yung Curious Cat, Catcho, Joy It, Share It Light, Share It. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung anong gagamitin natin. So, ito yung vlog natin ngayon. Yung Curious Cat, Catcho, Joy It, Share It Light, Share It. Then, dito kasi kay CC, nagtanong ko ng information nila dito sa mga application na to guys. So, medyo matagal siya mag-open. So, yan, kung makikita ninyo. Kung makikita ninyo guys, ito yung tinype ko sa taas, yan. Yung, what is Curious Cat earning application by taking survey? So, ito naman yung sagot ni CC. Ito yung considering 5 sources. So, yan. Guys, pagka hinold mo yan, lalabas ito. Then, pagka sa speak, lalabas yung speak.
Curious Cat,
So,
a mobile app for earning money through surveys.
yan.
Curious Cat is a mobile application that allows
So,
users to earn money by
yun lang.
completing paid online surveys,
May
polls,
voice,
and
tapos
questionnaires. It's
explanation
available on
guys.
both Android and
Ang
iOS
gagawin nyo lang,
platforms and is
i-record nyo yan.
designed for users to
Tapos,
earn extra cash in
i-ano
their
nyo
free
lang guys. I-record nyo lang yon. Then, i-save ninyo. Tapos ito guys, gumawa ako ng 5 nun eh. Actually, may 5 akong ganon. Para dito sa Curious Cat, Cat Show, tsaka Joy It, Share It Light, tsaka Share It. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin ilalagay itong voice information dito sa video na ating ginawa. So, papakita ko rin sa inyo ang finished product guys na So, yun lang. Pagka magre-record naman kayo guys, tip ko lang sa inyo, i-internal nyo lang para solid yung voice na makuha ninyo na hindi siya halo-halo. Then, so i-start na natin. Kung makita ninyo dito, so hanapin natin yung overlay. Tingnan natin kung tama yung ano dito. So, yan. So, ito yung ginawa ko guys, oh. Ito yung Curious Cat, yung Catcho, Joy It, Share It Light, tsaka yung Share It. So, una natin dito is yung Share It, yung Curious Cat. So, ilalagay ko yan sa i-add natin yan. Then, paliitin lang natin guys. Paliitin lang natin yan. Yan. Yan lang. Parang ilalagay mo lang siya sa gilid. Pero dapat makita rin siya kahit konti lang eh. Ganda yan pagka nakikita kahit konti. Yan. Then, try muna natin i-play. Play natin.
Curious Cat, a mobile
So,
app
tingnan
for
nyo,
earning
may
money
voice
through
na siya
surveys.
guys. Walang voice yan
Curious Cat is a mobile application
Ito.
that allows users to earn money by completing
So,
paid
makikita
online
ninyo.
surveys, polls, and questionnaires.
So, yan.
It's available on both Android and iOS platforms and is designed for users to earn extra cash in their free time.
Kung makikita ninyo guys, yan. May voice siya. Inano ko lang. In-scroll ko lang para makita natin kung sasakto siya dun sa ano natin, sa boundary ng Curious Cat. Yan.
Joy at a Cherie Light. Earning Lazada wallet and mobile. Curious Cat, a mobile app for earning money through surveys. Curious Cat is a mobile application that allows users to earn money by completing paid online surveys, polls, and questionnaire. It's available on both Android and iOS platforms and is designed for users to earn extra cash in their free time. How Curious Cat works. The app uses a point system. Users earn points for completing surveys, with the average survey paying between 20 and 200 points. The value of points varies by